Hi, I'm Johnny Morris, Senior Partner, New Direction Financial Services. I would like to give you a brief overview of our Equity Now Jumbo Mortgage Debt Restructuring Program. The bottom line is we solve the problem of you having no equity in your property. We have the capital available and the solution to put your situation behind you so you can move forward. We work to get you refinanced for around 75% of your home's current market value, positioning you with around 25% equity in the property when our work is completed. We're a bridge lender. In other words, we place temporary financing between your current lender and a future lender. This process produces amazing results in today's marketplace. We work with a variety of owners like you who have terrific properties that have lost market value over the past few years and are now worth less than the mortgage balance owed. In other words, they're considered upside down or underwater. We're looking for high-end homes and commercial properties with jumbo mortgages that are at least 15 to 20% upside down. Our program is designed for owners who want to keep their property but are frustrated about the market value. With your help, we negotiate with your current lender to purchase your mortgage debt from your lender at a significant discount using private funds that we are able to secure. We are part of a group of private investors with major hedge fund type capital. We can pay cash for just about any size debt. So why, you ask, would a lender sell us your debt at a discount? We can email you a free copy of our report entitled Options Your Lender Doesn't Want You to Know About. Just click on the free report tab when you fill out the contact information section. Prior to our offer presentation to your current lender, we negotiate with a new lender to get you ready to be refinanced at the expected reduced principal and thereby pass that significant discount on to you. We've been able to reduce most of our clients' principal balances by 20% to over 50%. Our profit is the difference between what we pay for your debt and the amount you are refinanced. That's typically 10 to 15% of the current market value of your property, depending on the price point. Since we only get paid when you are refinanced at a discounted principal, our focus is on the successful negotiation and completion of your refinance. We bring to the table not only the cash to purchase your mortgage debt, but a proven track record of success, our contacts inside the lending institutions, and a systematic approach to the complete process. Few people have the time and energy needed for dealing with this process. We are dedicated to the successful completion of your refinance at a discounted principal and the resulting discounted payment. We are not here to sell you a program. Our unique service is not fee-driven. We're not even here to convince you that it works, because for motivated property owners who follow our lead, it works great. This strategy was first used in major capital commercial debt restructures. We are providing you the opportunity to take advantage of this hedge fund type capital to solve your problem. Our firm is the conduit, the gate between you, the property owner, and that capital. We cannot be all things to all people. Therefore, we only work with the most motivated property owners who will commit to work with us. And although you pay us no fees of any kind, there are some basic expenses you will need to cover as part of the project. Items like an appraisal, a complete credit report, and normal closing costs associated with a refinance are all your responsibility. If we were able to get your principal reduced so you end up with at least 20% equity in your property where none exists now within the next 90 to 120 days, how committed to this project could you be on a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being the highest? We make offers to lenders to purchase the property owner's mortgage debt. The lender will either accept, reject, or negotiate a higher amount. We cannot predict what the lender will say. We can only make the effort to get their response to our offer. We'll make several offers until it no longer makes financial sense, if that's what it takes. Keep in mind that the majority of lenders have accepted our offers on the second or third round. Patience and persistence is paramount. Because it's our group and not you, the property owner, making the offer, an arm's length relationship is established between you, the property owner, our group, and the lender. This legally protects you from additional credit damage or tax liabilities when the lower principal amount is produced in the negotiations. It also means your relationship with the lender doesn't change if our offer is rejected. On the other hand, with a short sale or loan modification, the property owner is personally involved, whether through an agent or not, and it's their personal name, tax situation, and credit at stake. Our Equity Now program removes your personal involvement from the process. Our program is designed for financially savvy owners who truly want to improve the circumstances surrounding their property and are ready to take action. The idea of buying mortgage debt for pennies on the dollar would have seemed absurd 5 years ago. Not anymore. Right now it's a perfect storm of very low interest rates, low property values, and willingness on the part of lenders who need cash and reduced debt exposure to work with entities like ours. Right now you're in the driver's seat, but the circumstances that make our program work will not last forever. Time is of the essence. We've seen principal balances reduced several $100,000 to several million. Since you have nothing to lose and a lot to potentially gain, when would you like to get started, now or down the road after conditions change and it's too late? Please leave us your contact information in the box to the left. We'll be happy to answer any additional questions you may have. We look forward to working with you.